Most people charge per job, and that's exactly why they're stuck chasing money every single month. In this video, I'm going to show you how to price your trash bin cleaning services so you wake up every month already knowing what you're going to make. Think about this. 1 gallon of pool chlorine costs about $6 and can clean up to 30 trash bins. If you're charging $20 per bin, that's $600 in revenue from a $6 product. Now imagine those customers are on a monthly recurring plan. That same $600 comes back every single month without knocking on another door, running more ads, or starting from zero. That's the power of recurring revenue, so let's get into it. Here's what surprises people most about this business. The actual cleaning process is incredibly simple. A pump sprayer, some pool chlorine, water, and a pressure washer is all you need to get started. There are no expensive materials, no inventory to manage, and no complicated setup. Because your ongoing costs stay low, you get to keep more of what you earn from each job. You're providing a service people don't want to do themselves. That's why customers are willing to pay $15, $20, or even $40 per bin. The value isn't in the chemicals, it's in solving a problem. Here's the best part about recurring revenue. You wake up every month already knowing what you're going to make. No more door knocking to find your next customer, no more chasing leads, making cold calls, or starting from zero every single month. Every recurring customer you sign gets added on top of the last one. 10 recurring clients can generate $150 to $200 every single month. 50 clients can bring in $750 to $1,000 every month, and 100 clients can generate anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 every month on repeat. The more recurring customers you stack, the easier it becomes to grow. When it's time to add a second truck, the customers are already there waiting. That's the difference between owning a hustle and owning a real business. You're not just getting paid for today's work, you're building predictable income for the future. Most people trade time for money one job at a time. They finish a job, get paid, and they have to go find the next customer all over again. Recurring revenue changes the game. You do the hard work once to sign the customer, and they keep paying you month after month. Every bin you clean today has the potential to generate income non-stop. Instead of constantly chasing new jobs, you're building a base of customers that keeps growing over time. That's the power of recurring revenue. And that's exactly why bin cleaning is such a powerful business model. Now for the 3 tiers on how to price each service. Tier 1 is going to be your one-time cleaning, $20 to $40 per trash bin. This is your entry-level offer. The customer wants their bins cleaned, but they're not ready to commit to a recurring service. Since there are no guarantees that they'll come back, you charge a higher price for the one-time visit. It's a great way to attract new customers and get your foot in the door. Once they see the difference a professional cleaning makes, it's much easier to offer them a monthly or quarterly plan. Think of the one-time cleaning as an introduction and recurring plans as where the real money is made. Tier 2 is going to be your monthly cleaning, $15 per trash bin. This is where the real business starts. The customer commits to having their bins cleaned every month, so you reward loyalty with a lower price. Instead of charging $20 to $40 for a one-time cleaning, you offer a discounted monthly rate of $15 per bin. Why? Because recurring customers are worth far more than a one-time customer. You know that they're coming back next month and the month after that. This creates predictable recurring revenue that you can count on. These monthly clients should be your main focus because they become the foundation of your business. The faster you can lock in recurring customers, the faster you can build guaranteed income every single month. Now for tier 3, this is going to be your bi-monthly cleaning at $18 per bin. This option is for customers who want recurring service but don't need their bins cleaned every single month. Instead, you clean their bin once every 2 months. Since the service is less frequent, this price is slightly higher than your monthly plan at $18 per bin. You're still creating recurring revenue and the customer is still getting the better value than paying for a one-time cleaning. It's a win-win. This is a great middle ground option for customers who want to save money but aren't ready to commit to a monthly schedule. Remember, recurring customers are always more valuable than one-time job, even if they aren't on your most frequent plan. You're not just cleaning bins, you're turning a simple service into a scalable business. Before you go, here's one thing I want you to do right now. Join our free Discord. It's where I drop the full door-to-door script, word for word, answer your questions, and where everybody starting their bin cleaning business hangs out. You'll see other people landing their first customers, posting their wins, and sharing exactly what's working in their neighborhood. You do not want to do this thing alone. The people who plug into the community are the ones who actually stick with it and are making money. It's completely free. Link is in the description, so go right now and I'll see you there.